Welcome back to Taste the World with Julia. Today we will make another pan dulce from Mexico. It's called Biscuit. The recipe is super easy. It's super easy to follow as well. You don't need any special equipment. Probably everything you already have at home in your kitchen is totally fine. Okay, for about 10 biscuits we need 300 grams of flour, 5 grams of salt, 50 grams of sugar, and 5.5 grams of instant dry yeast, 10 grams of baking powder, 100 milliliters of warm milk, 140 grams of cold butter, and 1 egg. First, in a small bowl, mix warm milk with the dry yeast and let it rest for 10 minutes. This is to activate the yeast. If the yeast gets bubbly, that means it's working and it's activated. In case it does not get bubbly, you gotta start from the beginning. In a large bowl, combine flour, salt, sugar, and baking powder. Add the cold butter and rub it in with your fingertips until it looks like coarse lumps. Beat the egg and mix it into the milk and yeast mixture, and pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Then knead the dough gently for about 5 minutes, just until smooth. Cover and let the dough rest for about 20 minutes. After, roll it out about 1 centimeter thick. Fold it once, then roll again to 1.5 centimeters. Now, in case you don't have a biscuit cutter, no worries. I used a teacup to cut out the dough and it worked perfectly. With a little circle in the center, you can gently press down with a knife. Now brush the tops with your egg and milk mixture, and then bake everything at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, until they are golden brown. Here's important: in case you have a small oven like me, bake just one tray at a time. Otherwise, the biscuits might not rise properly and end up more flat. They're still delicious, but they will not be as fluffy. And that's it. If you like the recipe, let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. And here, watch the next video.